Claider writes and sends your claim. It's your pocket assistant. Just select the type of damage and let Claider help you fill out the perfect claim. You can report any type of water damage at home in just a few steps. The place and time of damage are displayed automatically. Simply select one or more options to describe the incident. If you or your insurer haven't done so already, enter your personal and policy details. Now select from the list the property or areas damaged, then choose from the different categories the description best suited to describe the damage. There could be damage caused to your home, your belongings, to the communal areas or to other buildings. Complete the claim with all the necessary photos that Claider suggests. It will guide you in taking the best photo to show the damage and its magnitude. Verify and modify the data entered. Finalise the claim and look at the claim report that Claider has prepared, ready to send to your insurer. Remember that you can stop the claim and resume it at any time. You can access your claims history by going into your profile and then select Damage History. Claider, any claim without pain.